I want to show you how to play Calypso by John Denver. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction on this. You're going to roll an A chord. You've got an A in the bass, a D, A, D, A. We're just going to go back and forth between an A chord and a D chord. And the A chord, E, A, C sharp. So A, C sharp, E is your A chord. We're going to put the E on the bottom. So we have the A down here, and then we're going to walk it with an A, B, D. And then we're going to go to the D chord. And then we'll just arpeggiate that A, F sharp. Now the D chord is A, D, F sharp, A, but we'll play it A, D, F sharp. So we'll play in the right hand, we'll go E, A, C sharp, A, B, D, and then A, D, F sharp, A, F sharp, A, C sharp, E, B, C sharp, E, A, D, F sharp, A, F sharp, and then we're into the melody. So there's your intro. Here it is, slowly together. Going to play an A in the bass right there. Now let's get the melody. B, C sharp, B, A, E, 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 C sharp, D, E, D, C sharp, E, E, A, B, C sharp, C sharp, D, E, D, C sharp, B. Then we do it again. B, C sharp, B, A, E, 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 C sharp, D, E, D, C sharp, E, C sharp, D, E, D, C sharp, D, E, D, C sharp, B, A. And we do it again. This time starting on a C sharp. Now here we have a triplet. C sharp, D, C sharp, E. And then we're into the chorus. And when we get the chorus, it's a different melody. We got D, 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 C sharp, B, A, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, C sharp, D, F sharp, B, D, C sharp, B, 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 C sharp, F sharp, F. Coming down, F sharp, B, D, C sharp, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, C sharp, D, F sharp, B, D, C sharp, D, C sharp, D, A. And then he does that yodeling. C sharp, D, E, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, B, C sharp, D, E, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, A, C sharp, D, E, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, C sharp, C sharp, D, E, B, A. And he uses a high falsetto voice for that. So there you've got that. Now the bass, we're just going to start off with an A, and then finally we go to a D, F sharp, A, F sharp, and back to the A. So let's take it with the intro, and then I'll slow it down for the verse. Here we go. So you've got the A, and then we're going to have the A again on the C sharp, again on the E, again on the E, and then the D goes with the B. Now it's actually a B minor 7 chord is what we've got, but we're going to have the B in the melody, and we'll play the D in the bass, D, and then we'll walk up that chord. So we'll go D, F sharp, A, F sharp. So let me do it again with everything together. Now we can do it again. Now the melody, the rhythm changes a little bit. So each each time he'll change that rhythm just slightly to fit the words. So he changes that melody a little bit each time. And so this is the second time through. Now here we're going to walk it up, but you got to lift off of that A, and then we go back to it. You're going to go to an E here, and this low E right there. So you've got C sharp, D, C sharp, and then you're on this A, and then we're going to walk that, and we're going to play that arpeggio, B, D, E. So we're actually making it like an E minor 7, but we're just going to play the E, the B, the D, and the E, and then we're into the chorus. So play with the triplets. Now you don't have to play the chords. The only time I did the chords was on this first chorus. D, F sharp A, C sharp E, D, A, D, F sharp A, C sharp E, D, A. And then you want a single bass note for the yodel section. E, D, A. So you're just going to go E, D, A, E, D, A. Now the first part of the chorus, you're just going to D and an A, so you got to remember to come up to that E right there. So on the chorus, both hands together, we've got. Here we've got the D, A, E, A. And we go up to the F sharp in the melody and do it again. And we do the D, A, E again. And then we've got the yodeling sound. We've got to remember to start with an E. Down to the D. Then he changes a little bit. The left hand stays the same. Now the interlude will just have a pedal A over an A chord and a D chord. And then he goes into the second verse, and we stay on that same A. We're going to do something different. So we're going to go walk up F sharp, A, and when we hit that A, we'll hit a. So that little interlude right there, we just got a brief interlude. And then we're back into the verse. This time we're going to go up to the B, and then we're going to hit an A up here. So we actually have really most of that B7 chord in there, because we got the B and the D and the F sharp and the A, but it's just spread out. And then we come back to the melody. The chorus is much like the earlier chorus, except this time I'm not going to put the chords in. I'm just going to play a single note bass. So it'll just be D, A, D, A, E, A, D, A, D, A, E, A. What he does here, he's getting ready for the tag, and what he does here, he sings that chorus twice in a row, and he changes the melody on the second time through. So we got. this time we go up with the melody. So we go D, E, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, C sharp, D, C sharp. See, both of those lines are different than they've been before. Kind of ad-libbing that melody right there, and then we go up to an F sharp to start it. And here we've got F sharp, G sharp, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, D, C sharp, C sharp, D, E, F sharp. And then we're into the yodeling right there sound, and here he changes it a little bit too. He goes. Has a little interlude there, and then he comes right back in with a tag yodel. So it pretty much keeps going up with that thing. He never comes down. He doesn't come down there at all on this last time through on the tag yodels. So let's start right at the yodels right there. First time he comes down to an A, but after that he just kind of keeps going back up to the C sharp, and then he does that right on through to the end. So let's do it again. Chord on your way down to the A chord, A, D sharp, A, D, F sharp, to the A chord. Then we just do the yodel again. Now here he's going to tag it. So you go from this D to the octave A. So let's do that tag ending together. There you have it, Calypso by John Denver. I hope you enjoy it.